do I have some news for you about Ipsy? Welcome, my beautiful friends. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty box unboxings, reviews, tutorials, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, we are going to be giving away free beauty products. So make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned for that upcoming video. If you are new to Ipsy, it is a $10 a month beauty subscription. They ship out about 5 either sample size or full size products. So before we dive into the bag, I did want to let you know. So I reached out to Ipsy because I've been on the waiting list for a while now, and I'm kind of trying to figure out, okay, what is going on? And I found out that because I am an annual subscriber, I can't basically be put on this waiting list. You know, so what they have is they have a waiting list so you can upgrade to an Ipsy Plus Glam bag, which is a little bit more a month, but they do send out full-size products, and that was what I wanted to get upgraded to. And you know, you think that they would want their annual subscribers to keep them happy, but no. So I said, please take me off of the annual subscription, put me on a monthly subscription, and then I can get on this waiting list. And then once I'm off the waiting list and getting the full-size products, then I can switch it back to an annual subscription. So if you guys are still on the waiting list and trying to figure out what is going on, why you haven't been upgraded yet, and if you're an annual subscriber, that is why. So just contact them, and they were really helpful and letting me know the steps I kind of needed to take. So let's dive into this bag. So the bags always come in, you know, your outer bag always comes in with an inner makeup bag. And this one says, and off she went to change the world. Love, love, love that saying. It's got a pretty blue zipper here with a blue little tassel here that does say Ipsy on it. So let's get into the bag itself. It's a bright pink on the inside here. So I just kind of took the products out and just kind of put them on my desk so I could show you the inside here really quick. So the first item that I am seeing is from First Aid Beauty. I've not tried anything yet from First Aid Beauty. I've wanted to. This is their Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. The 2-in-1 formula is nutrient-rich moisturizer that hydrates skin while reducing the appearance of fine pores and prepping your skin for makeup. The secret, a blend of superfood, good for you ingredients like coconut water, quinoa proteins, and minerals. And your tip is to smooth a pea-sized amount over clear skin in the morning before applying makeup. Want to skip foundation? The stuff is also infused with light reflecting pearls for a dewy, fresh finish. So let's just put a little bit of this on the back of the hand here. So here's what it kind of looks like when I put a little bit there. And then that's what it looks like. I think that's really pretty. Next we have from one of my favorite brands, Tarte. It is their Maneater mascara. And this itself usually retails for about $12. So that was the price of your bag right there. And what it said is, it's their Voluptuous mascara. Tarte is committed to creating products that are cruelty-free, love, and made good for you ingredients. This inky black formula features a flexible brush that coats even your teeniest lashes. Jojoba and caramel wax strengthen and protect your lashes and help prevent flaking. Tip, coat this brush in mascara and swipe through the lashes in a zigzag motion from roots to tips. Use the bristles at the top of the brush to coat lashes on their inner and outer corner lids. I already have one of these. I've been loving it. I am going to put this in our upcoming giveaway. So one of you guys can try it too, because I want you guys to fall in love with the products that I really like too. Next we have our space case. It is their eyeshadow, and it is in the color Alien Love Child. And what it says is lavender shade with violet blue flecks, can be applied wet or dry with your finger or brush. It blends smooth like butter and wears for hours without creasing. Plus the all space case eyeshadow is cruelty free, love that. And tip, using your finger, swipe it all over your lid and blend. Use a damp angled brush to smudge it along your lower lash line. So here is what it looks like. It's really pretty kind of metallic color. I'm hoping that that's almost like a duochrome, so I'm really hoping that that shows up. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, this is like butter. It is so creamy. Let's kind of put this on the hand here. Look how pretty that is. I am gonna love this. So here we have this really, really pretty makeup brush. Look how pretty that handle is. Here's what the top looks like. I do like using these type of brushes underneath my eye to kind of smoke out that eyeshadow underneath. So what this is, it is a SLMISSGLAM SS62 short shader brush. YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis created this line of high glitzy synthetic brushes that look so pretty in your brush jar. Whether you want a subtle or a smudgy look, smoky eye look, this brush is your go-to. Plus the glitter handle is adorable, which I agree. Tip, for a pop of color, dip your brush in the shadow and dab it on the inner corners of your eyes for a smoky effect. Dampen your brush and dip it into the shadow and smudge along your lash lines. This brush is gorgeous. I can't get over it. I hope it's really showing up and how pretty it is there on the camera. So lastly, we have a product here from JOLII Cosmetics. It's our Luxe Cream Matte in Lavanda. And JOLII's matte liquid lip is super creamy, rich thanks to a magical blend of shea butter and jojoba oil, and it's so versatile. We can't wait for this super saturated, cool tone lavender color out for a spin for your next date night. Tip, swipe it on your lips using the applicator, apply another coat for an even bolder look. So here's what this looks like. And so it's a matte liquid lippy. And here's what that looks like. I have been kind of starting to shy away from liquid lipstick, so I think I'm gonna pass this one on to a friend. So which of the items were your favorites? Let me know in the comments below. I'm in love with this mascara. I use it a lot. And then I think this is just so pretty, this eyeshadow. It was this one here. Love, love, love. And look how, you know, that first aid. I mean, you could use it just as alone without a foundation. I mean, it is, you know, a priming moisturizer, but look how pretty that is. It's got a shine to it. So those are my favorite. Let me know in the comments below which ones were your favorites. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys, have a beautiful and great day. And I will see you soon. Bye.